well.
You're
All
right.
It's hot.
It is hot, it is humid. Oh, but those frozen meals would be delicious, wouldn't they?
Okay, that's true. I'll give it to you.
Including their dressing. We could go on and all right, we won. All right, few isolated showers right along the Mississippi Sound, or just south of the Mississippi Sound, and the eastern part of the Biloxi Marsh is it, and no lightning with that. Do have some thunderstorms that are south of Alexandria, so may see some lightning well off in the distance there, but otherwise we're still under partly to mostly cloudy skies because of that tropical wave that is just off to our east. Might keep us under cloudy skies, or at least a little more cloudiness over the next couple of days. That, even if we don't get much rain, would certainly help out our temperatures. At the moment though, 84 degrees, partly cloudy at Kenner. A dew point of 78, so it still feels like 95 degrees, but believe it or not, this is normal for August, with temperatures some upper 70s, lower 80s, and dew points in the mid 70s. They usually do drop a little bit more, allowing for maybe a few more degree drop for our morning lows, but not going to be a particularly cool or mild start to our August morning. Now, in terms of that cloud cover I'd mentioned, this is a little tropical wave with an associated surge of tropical moisture. The big question was going to be if that tropical moisture was able to move right over us. This dark green band here is the real tropical moisture. That looks like, as it tries to get close, actually starts to get shifted away from us as an upper trough deepens. Now, I don't think we're still going to have plenty of moisture in over the next couple of days to keep our rain chances at around the 50, maybe 60% mark, and also the possibility of any rain that does form to become at times heavy. Now, I don't think that's going to be a widespread issue, nor do I think we're going to see those deluges of summertime showers that we can easily see in August. But what this tropical wave is going to do with its proximity is, if nothing else, keep us with a little bit more cloud cover over the next couple of days, and also keep our rain chances on the slightly higher side for our Tuesday and for our Wednesday. Morning might have a few spotty showers, so just check radar. Check with us on WWL Louisiana News in the morning, because we will be able to show you where those showers are if you're headed out to school at that time, and that will definitely be an issue around during the afternoon and early evening. By the evening and night, going away. Same thing on Wednesday morning. Model here has us dry, but then the spotty to scattered showers popping up with more afternoon heating. Out in the tropics we go. We have Tropical Storm Aaron. This one, at least based on the models, could be our first hurricane and possibly even first major hurricane. Right now, as I'd mentioned, it's kind of embedded within some dry air, so you don't see a real rapid intensification over the next couple of days. It gets it to a more hospitable environment is when we could see it become a Category 3 hurricane. Did see a little bit of a shift, maybe slightly down to the south from the earlier model runs, but those shifts are kind of meaningless in the early stages of this storm and the long-term forecast. What we're looking at right now is a big upper level high to the north of Aaron. This is going to keep it moving almost due west over the next several days. A break in the high and an upper trough should start to allow the storm to make that turn away from the East Coast, but certainly areas along the East Coast can be watching this one very, very closely. Earlier model runs had the storm moving over Bermuda, and to be fair, this is kind of a long-range model, which is less and less as accurate, but had it over more Bermuda. Now the model has it kind of splitting the difference between the East Coast and Bermuda. Still does not look like it would be a Gulf threat, but certainly something that they'll be watching very closely along the eastern seaboard. Rain chances from our tropical disturbance a little bit on the higher side, 50%, certainly not a washout of a day. They do start to decrease as we head into Thursday, Friday, and by the weekend and early next week, an upper high means drier and hotter.